Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to add JotForm to Wix. We'll explore the easiest way to integrate powerful forms directly into your website without needing any complex coding. This method uses the Wix app market, making the process straightforward and quick. By the end, you'll know how to get your forms live and start collecting valuable information from your visitors in just a few simple steps. First, log into your Wix account and open your website in the editor. On the left-hand side, you'll find the Add Apps or App Market icon. Click on it to open the Wix App Market. In the search bar, type JotForm Embed and select the official app. Then, simply click the Add to Site button to install it, which takes only a few seconds. Once the app is installed, a JotForm widget will appear on your page. Drag and drop it to your desired location. Click on the widget to open its settings panel. Here, you will see a field to paste your JotForm URL. If you do not have one, you can create a new form on JotForm's website. After pasting the link, click Connect, and your form will load directly into the widget, ready for display. After connecting your form, you can easily resize the widget to ensure it fits seamlessly within your Wix page design. Stretch it to cover the full page for responsiveness on both desktop and mobile. Preview your site to confirm everything looks perfect. Once satisfied, hit the Publish button on your Wix editor. Your JotForm is now live and ready to collect submissions from your website visitors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.